to use Canva. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, again, welcome to my channel. The app which we're gonna go through is Canva. If you want to download Canva, as always, go to Play Store and type in Canva. So I won't have to type it in because it's already in my recents. So I'll just click on it, and here it is, Canva. This app will help you in designing photos and videos. You want to design a thumbnail, you want to design anything you want. It can also do presentations or documents, just as we are going to see in the near future. Okay, I've already installed the app, so I'll just go on and open it. I've already done the signing in, and I've also finished the basics of giving the app permissions to access my storage and everything. But after I've already finished with that, as the first page will be represented by the templates. As you can see here, we have Word documents, but they are templates, which means that you can edit each and everything in this template. But basing on it, we also have these presentations, some educational videos. Just as you can remember, I've already told you that Canva does a lot of things, from worksheets to presentations, everything. Okay, but there are also these top tabs which you can select to be specific, like social media. Any template, you can edit it fully to the maximum. You also have videos, presentations, documents, and everything. You can even edit websites. We're going to check on presentations. Okay, if you go into the presentations tab, they'll give you all presentations so that you can select any you want. But for this case, I think I'll prefer this one, so I'll go with it. Canva will always auto save your presentations or your work or your editing. So this is the page. Anything you can see on this template, you can edit. There is nothing you can't edit here. Let's start with the text. APR. The technology, let's make it tech. Okay, yeah, just move it from, yeah, I think here. Okay, you can also change fonts. If you want to change fonts, you have to first click on the text you want to change, and as you can see below here on this ribbon, you can do anything and you customize your text. Let's begin with font. So Canva represents you with, first of all, with your recommended fonts. That's the good thing about Canva. It can also recommend fonts according to your presentation and the colors. It will show you the recently used and also the popular ones. Okay, click on back, push it down. That's the fonts ribbon. You can also have the text styles. You can also change the size. Okay, let's change this size. Let's make it a little larger. Okay, I think that's fine. And also we have color. I think we'll make it like this, gold. Yeah, you can also change all of the colors of each and every text, but for this case I think this is great. And let's see, can also edit the spacing, some effects. Can push some shadow, can lift it, lift your text, as you can see. Yeah, I think that's great. Let's also put some animation on the text. I always prefer text typewriter. Okay, can also set the transparency, but I think this is pretty opaque. Okay, so let's go on the APR. The same things, you can also start with setting the transparency, the position. There are also layers, anything you want. The same for the text, each and every word here. You can do the same editings. Okay, in case you want to change your background, that's easy. Just click on your background, then click replace, and you will be represented by the images in your gallery, or you can just download some uploads you already had, or Canva will get you its own online backgrounds. So I prefer abstract. Just search abstract background. Yeah, and I'll click on this one, put my text over here, then I'll also enlarge it a little bit, font size. Yeah, also change the format to center. Yeah, and then can also put some effects. Yeah, okay. Can also change the font to a Vivo black. Okay. And about our background, you can also edit your background in any way you want. As you can see, you can also change the colors on the background, but I always prefer the color in which the background comes in with. So I'll just undo that and undo that. There are also timers in case you want your background to just spend a specific time. Some effects. So effects on your background, it will not affect your text, but it will just affect the background only. Okay. Then there are also filters. I think let's look for a pretty dim filter. See. Yeah. Okay. I know my design is not that great, but this was just a demo to show you on how you can use Canva. And after you have already finished, you can also preview your design. Okay, in case you want to run presentations for those professional Canva users, we'll just click on this present button, And once you click on it, your touches and everything will turn into some kind of pointer, as you can see. But this pointer, you cannot get it if you're using a mouse for your phone or device. Okay, after you've already finished with everything, click on the options here. So on these options, you can do customizations for your presentation. As you can see, you can also resize. You can resize to any size you want, but I always prefer this one, 16:9 ratio. Just click back. In case your reason for making a presentation is to just save it on your device, you can click on this button, these three dots. You can also change the text the name of your presentation should be. And after finishing all of that, you just push this down, and now it's time for you to save. And now it's time for you to save your presentation. Okay, so there are two ways of saving. You can either use this method, whereby you come to this share icon, you click on it, but of course before sharing you'll have to download it. So you are trying to intend to share your presentation, but instead you'll have to first do what? Download it. That alternative, you can share the link of your presentation, or you can just download the real presentation. And here is my favorite. You can also set which format you want your presentation to be in, either an MP4 video, JPG, PNG, those are all images, a PDF and PDF print, those are all documentations, a SVG, best for web design and animations, or just a clip. But in this case, we'll go for PNG. And you can also set whether you want your transparent background, or you also want to compress your file. But in this case, we want to compress our file because that actually leads to a lower quality. Okay, click on download. Okay, it may take some time, varying on your internet speed. Okay, looks like it has finished. Then you cancel your sharing. So here is the link of your design. Okay, and you would have finished. And you would have finished. Then you can just click on this option. Then you go to download. And then you can also change the formats and everything. After changing your formats, then you press download. I personally find this method faster than the other one, but you can comment in the comment section on what you think on both methods. Okay, you can also make a copy or move to a folder, anything you want. Please make sure that you subscribe, because this video took a lot of time to make, and also share and like and comment, and check out more of my videos.